Good morning, Kipsters. This is Mr. Adams, and it's time for our phonics lesson. Now, I'm gonna give you guys a couple of seconds. We need to make sure that we have paper, pencil, or if you have a whiteboard and dry erase marker, go ahead and get those, okay? Pause the video, and then when you have those materials, on pause, and I'll be right here waiting for you. Now, before we get started, like I always say, we need to get our minds ready to grow our brains. So let's go ahead. We're going to close our eyes. We're going to breathe in. Breathe out. We breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth. In through our nose and out through our mouth. One more, but this time we're going to reach the sky. As we breathe in through our nose, we're going to stretch the sky. And then when we breathe out, we're going to shake it out. Okay? Breathe in. Stretch. A little bit to the right. A little bit to the left. And out. Shaking it out. All right, guys. Good job. Miss you guys, but I know we're ready to grow our brains. So today we're going to be going over our digraphs by using wordplay, sight words, and we're going to do list 1, list 2, and list 3. We're just going to drill through those. Next, we're going to practice sight words again, but this time we're going to identify sight words in a sentence. So I'm going to give you a couple seconds. You're going to point to the sight word, and actually, as you write the sentence down, I want you to circle a sight word, and I'm going to see if you're correct. And then last, we're going to do some letter sound identification. We're going to make sure that we know those sounds like that. All right? So let's get started. Mr. Adams has his handy dandy letter tile board. All right. First word we're going to practice today is the word shop. Shop. Let's go ahead and tap that out. Shop. Shop. And remember, we're tapping out the sounds, not the letters. Shop. What's that first sound that we hear? That's right. The first one's a digraph. Let's go ahead. Get that digraph. All right. What's our next sound? What's that sound? And then what letter makes that sound? That's right. Our vowel O makes the sound. All right. Now we're going to do the ending sound. What letter makes that sound? That's right. P makes the P sound. Good job, guys. Let's go ahead and find that letter P. Oh, I'm going to fix my X. There we go. Ready? Shop. Good job, guys. Good job. Next word. Our next word is ship. Ship. Yeah, that's right. SH makes the sh sound. So we don't need to move that. What's the middle sound? What's that medial sound? Sh. Is the middle sound. Yeah? You're right. I makes the sound. So let's go ahead and put back our O. And get our I. Ship. And we already have the P. Good job, good job. So our word is ship, ship, ship. The word is ship. Let's go to our next one. Our next word is chin, 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 That's our first sound. What letter or letters makes the sound ch? You are correct. That's CH. CH makes the ch sound. So let's put that up. Get our CH. There we go. Ch, I, ch, I, I. That's right. I makes the I sound. So we already have that. All right, ending sound. Now we need to figure out our ending sound, right? Ch, I, ch, I, What letter makes the sound? That's right. N makes the sound. N makes the sound. We'll put back our P. Get our letter N. Chin. 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 Very good, guys. Our next word is chat. Chat. Like, I'm going to have a chat with somebody. Chat means to talk. Chat. Let's tap that out. Chat. Chat. Yep. CH makes the ch sound. So we don't need to change that. Let's sing our medial sound or a middle sound. Ch, ah, ch, ah, ah, ah. What's that? Ah, ah. All right. A makes the ah sound. Let's go ahead and put back our I. All right, let's finish this up. Now we're looking for the ending sound. Ch, ah, ch, ah. So I made a mistake. I was thinking about that N, wouldn't I? All right, let's try that again. Ch, ah, ch, ah, t. What letter is making that ending sound? T. Yeah, that's right. We're putting that back up because we know the letter T. You guys guessed it right. The letter T is making the t sound. Let's go ahead and tap that out. Ch, at, chat, chat. Good job. Our next one is thud. Thud, thud. Like I fell and I made a thud sound. Thud is a sound. All right? I fell and there was a great thud. I'm a pretty big guy, right? So there's going to be a big thud if I fall. Thud. Let's tap that out. Thud. What's that beginning sound? That's right. TH makes the sound. So go ahead and put this up. Change that to a TH. Now we're looking for that sound. D. What makes the sound? That's right. U makes the sound. We're going to put back our letter A. Get that U. All right, let's tap it out one more time. D. D. What letter makes the D sound? D. Yeah? Good job. Can't trick you guys from that brain. The letter D. The letter D makes the D sound. Let's put up our T and get that D. Thud. d, d, thud, 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 thud. All right, we got one last word to go, okay? Next one is thin, thin. Let's tap that out together. Remember, listen for the beginning sound, the middle sound, and the ending sound. Thin, th, n, th, n, thin. Oh, you're right. We already have the TH. TH makes the th sound. So now the middle sound now is I. Th, I, n. What letter makes the I sound? I sound. Yeah? That's right. The vowel I. Good job, guys. I makes the I sound. We're going to put back our letter U, and we're going to get our letter I. I, n, n. D doesn't make the n sound. D makes the d sound. We're going to put that away. What makes the n sound? N. Yes, that's right. The letter N makes the n sound. Thin. Let's go ahead and find our letter N. Good job, good job. There we go. I, n, I, n. Thin, thin, thin. Like my pencil or my pen is thin. It's not big, it's thin. Good job, guys. Why don't you go ahead and kiss that brain. Now it's time to go through and practice our sight words. Now remember, we're going to start going through all of our sight words. And so for some of you guys, this is practice. Some of you guys, we're going making sure that we're cementing this inside of our brains, locking it in. Because remember, our job is to know all of our sight words so that we can be first grade ready. All right. Echo after me. Echo after you. The, of, a, and, to, and, a, of, the. Good job. Next list. List 2. In, is, you, that, it, that, you, is, in. Good job, guys. Let's finish it up strong. List 3. He, was, for, on, are, on, for, was, he. All right. Like I said, we're just going through the sight words because we want to lock them in, because we want to make sure that our fluency is on point, right, guys? Okay, now it's time to practice identifying sight words when we're reading. So Mr. Adams already has a sentence. And in my sentence, it says, we will be on the ship. We will be on the ship. Now, what are my sight words? Let's take a second, and I want you to write the sentence, and then I want you to circle the sight words. Now remember, let's check it out. Let's make sure we're writing our sentences correctly. The beginning of Mr. Adams' sentence has a capital letter. All of our sentences begin with a capital letter. And then I make sure that I have my finger spaces between each word so that I know which word is which. And then I make sure that I have a punctuation at the end of my sentence. Remember, punctuation tells us how we're saying the sentence. Are we asking a question? Are we telling something? Or are we excited about something? With this sentence, this is a period. So the period means I am telling you something. All right, good job, guys. I know you can forget that. I just want to give you a little reminder. All right, so we're ready? That's right. Our first sight word that I see is the sight word we. So I circled my sight word we. What's the next sight word that I see? Be. The sight word be. Next sight word that I see is the sight word the. And you know what? I don't see any more sight words in this sentence, but for good practice, what else do I see that I may want to, fix on this? Or not fix, that I want to practice. There you go. That's the better word. What do I want to practice? That's right. I see a digraph in the sentence. I see the digraph, sh, the sh, sh, and ship. So I circled my sight words and I underlined my digraph. Good job, guys. I'm going to go ahead and give you a couple seconds to write the next sentence. Remember, you can pause the video, or you're already ready, and let's go. The next sentence is, can you help me? Can you help me? Can you help me? That's our next sentence. Let's think about these sight words. What are the sight words? That's right. You is a sight word. That's our next sight word. Let's see, checking my sentence. You can help me. What's that next sight word? That's right. Me is our next sight word. Good job, guys. I don't see any more sight words in here. My sentence begins with a capital letter. It ends with a punctuation. And I made sure that I had finger spaces between all my words. Good job. So the sight words that we went over, let's go ahead and write them down. We, be, the, you, and me. All right. All right, guys. Good job on that one. Good job. Let's go ahead and get our practice on. We're going to take back out the letter board. And I'm going to make a sound. And you are going to find the letter or letters that make that sound. First sound, k, k. What letter or letters makes the sound k? Let's think. Think. Yeah, you guys got this. K. K makes the k sound. C makes the k sound. And the digraph CK makes the k sound. K. Good job, guys. Let's go ahead and put those back. Make sure our board's all nice and clean. And get ready for the next sound. The next sound is w, w, w. What letter or letters makes the w sound? Think. That's right. W. W, there we go. makes the W sound. And WH makes the W sound. W, W. All right, we've got one more. Go ahead and clean up our board. I, I. What letter or letters makes the I sound? I. Think, think, think. Oh, you guys not to take too long on that one because you guys are so smart. It is the letter I. The letter I makes the I sound. I, I. And let's see, what's so special about the letter I? Yeah, you guessed it. It's a vowel. The letter I is a vowel. Vowels are those very special letters that help us to make words. I says I. All right, guys, that is the end of our practice for today. Remember, we miss you guys so much. Keep growing those brains, getting first grade ready. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye, Kipsters.